Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Crypto Update and Reviews. So in this video I'll be sharing with you a platform where you can make money online, guys, without even depositing. You can earn with this platform. I'm going to review later in this video, guys. So guys, this is my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my YouTube channel, guys, please can you smash the subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you won't miss any videos when I drop on how you can make money online, guys. So this is my channel and these are the videos. So you can see, let me show you the platform that are not longer paying. You can see this metadata. This metadata has crashed, is no longer paying, so don't invest in this platform, guys. So but the rest, Antpool is no longer paying. They stopped, I think last 2 months, I mean last month they stopped paying last month, so don't invest in that platform, guys. So this platform is also paying, this platform is still paying. Store SEO is back, so you can just don't deposit on Store SEO. You need to wait because they are still doing the platform because of the attack there. Some people wanted to hack the system, so just wait for my update and I'll just join my WhatsApp group and I will give you information about Store SEO when you can get back your account, because some people has already gotten their account while some need to wait for 3 months before they can get their funds in their account. So just join my WhatsApp group so that I'll be dropping an update on Store SEO if you have registered. If you have not registered, just wait and I will tell you when to register if you still want to register on Store SEO because it's still paying. So the platform for today, I'm going to share with you the platform of today. So let's dive into the video, guys. So okay, so this platform for today is called todoglobalreview. So this is the platform. Just click the link in the description to take you to the sign up page. It's very easy to sign up. Just put in your WhatsApp number, your email, then click on get verification. Then if you want to get the verification, you go to your email, you will see the verification code. Put in the verification code right here, then set your password, then confirm your password. The invitation code is also in the description, or you also see it on my WhatsApp group. Just copy it and paste it right here, then click on sign up. Once you have signed up, you'll be directed to your dashboard. So what you must do, you must not create more than one account on this platform. That's the number one rules. I will show you later where they state that. So let me just log in because I've already created my account on this. Show you how you can log in. So this is my account. Let me just click on the get, so you can join their Telegram group. And also let me show you how you can what their rules is. So let me show you where they say you should create just one account. You can see each legal citizen can only register one TODO account, and the same device can only log into one TODO account. You can see if you create multiple accounts, your account will be banned, guys, and you can get to VIP 1 for free, guys. So I'll be sharing with you the easy way you can get to VIP 1. It's very easy. So what you have to do is to come to this me section, click on this me, just click on it, then you can see once you sign up with my link, you will get $100 experience fund, which is your bonus funds. That's the money you're going to be used you can use for your task. So, but you can't withdraw the money because it's just experience funds, it's just a bonus. So let me show you how you can get to VIP 1 after you have completed your daily task on VIP 0. Click on this blue section that is D. Just click on it, then you wait for it to load. Then once it's there, you will see that this VIP 0 that is locked. You can see I'm on VIP 1 because I was currently on VIP 0, so I unlock my VIP 1 for free, and I will show you how you can do it. Once you log in, you will be on VIP 0, so you have to click on enter on your VIP 0. You click on it. Let me just use one as an example for you guys. So once you click on the VIP 0 enter, you get 10 tasks to complete daily. So once you do the 10 tasks, you get 1.6 or $7. So once you have gotten that, you will need to come back again. You just need to complete the 10 tasks for that particular day. Then after you have completed the 10 tasks, you open this, come back to your me section, then you need to reload this page 2 times, then you go to VIP 1. Or once you finish the task, you automatically upgrade to VIP1. So you will start performing your task on VIP1, and this VIP1 you can withdraw for free, guys. You don't need to you don't even need to invest in this site. You can withdraw for free, guys. So, and the minimum withdrawal is just 10 USDT, and in 6 days you can get your 10 USDT or and place withdrawals, guys. And also I will share you the withdrawal proof on my WhatsApp group, so join my WhatsApp group to get free updates as well if you have not joined my WhatsApp group, guys. So what you have to do is to click on your invite if you want to invite your friends. So let me just explain this invite section. Click on the invite button if you want to invite your friends to join this platform as well. Just click on copy, then you click on your invitation code, you copy it so that you send it to your friends. After copying the link, you send your invitation code. Then once they sign up, you will still earn some commission without them depositing. So you can also change your password if you want to withdraw. You click on your wallet manager, just click on this plus button right here. So what you have to do is to copy your TROC20 on your Trust wallet or your Binance, any cryptocurrency exchange you have. So you can just copy your USDT TROC20 and put it right here. Then click on get verification code. You get the verification code on your email, the email you use to sign up on this platform. Then you put in the code right here, then you click on show, then you click on show, then the account will be bind, you add your wallet to the platform. So but you can select your currency if you don't want to use your USDT. So that is it. Let me show you how you can also recharge if you want to deposit on this platform. It's very easy. Click on your recharge. Once you click on the recharge, you can see the minimum deposit is 20 USDT. So you can just, if you want to send 20 USDT, you click on 20. If you are going for 100, you click on 100. So you copy their wallet address, you send the amount, then take a screenshot, you put it right here, then you copy your hash transaction ID, then you put it right here, you click on confirm. Then once you have done that, you get your funds instantly on your account, guys. So it's very easy. The same process goes on the withdrawal. So you click on withdraw. Once you have made your account, you click on withdraw. You can see that please enter at least 10 USDT. That's the minimum. You put it right there. You put in the current account, then you get code with the email you use to register. Then you put your password, then you click on confirm. You get your withdrawal, guys. It's very easy. You can withdraw without depositing, but if you want to withdraw fast, you need to deposit so you can withdraw faster, guys. They also have an app. You can click on the app download, you click, then you download their app. It's very easy and very straight, guys. So that'll be all for this video, guys. So if you enjoy this video, please kindly give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel, guys, and join my WhatsApp group so you can also receive daily update on how you can make money online, guys. So you can actually go through this, join the Telegram group and so as well. And also, guys, if you have any question, message me on my WhatsApp. I'm there for you 247, guys. So that will be all. Subscribe to this channel for more updates on how you can make money online, guys. So thank you, peace, and don't forget to invest wisely, guys.